What's up guys, Doing Guy here. Today I wanted to update you on my sim racing setup. Now when it comes to perspective of my room, this setup fits just in the corner of my room. There's my normal desk. When I want to move to my desk, I just take off the monitor from this little mount and I move it over to my normal desk. So the PC is over here, it's an HP Pavilion. And then I have my separate keyboard and mouse for my normal desk. Piece over here, I have currently a mess of wires, but I will be fixing that. And it leads over to the sim. Now let's talk about this. I built this thing entirely out of wood for very cheap, like 20 bucks for all the wood and screws, I think. Now, let me run you through everything it has. As you'll see, it has an entire wooden base that supports the chair and everything, so the entire sim setup is one solid piece, except for the monitor stand. The monitor stand is separate, that is so if there is any shaking, it doesn't affect the monitor stand. The monitor stand just goes right in front. Now this keyboard's on a pivot, and this wheel is actually on a beam that kind of goes out like that, so it kind of goes. My old version, it just had a beam like that, but it would hit your knees. So I just have one coming out there and it kind of goes between your legs. And then back here I have the pedals. I've angled the pedals. You can adjust that angle, but pedals are back there. Now here I have basically just a post going up with a support here and a support here. And it's free floating. So, and it's very solid. It has my shifter, 7-speed in reverse, and my Amazon e-brake. Now, when it comes to adjustability of the whole system, it takes unscrewing, but you can't adjust the pedals. And the seat has this little lever. I'm not going to adjust it now, but it's like a normal car seat lever where you pull it up and you can slide it in and out about that much. And then this lever adjusts the angle of your whole seat. Now, this whole system, I haven't had any issues of things bumping me, and it's pretty easy to get into. As you can see, my knees do not touch the beam unless I really want them to, but you know, they fit. I have plenty of room for my legs while driving around. And the wheel, I can't really move it around, it's very sturdy. So this is separate from here, so as you move the seat, the shifter is not affected. So basically, yeah, this is my POV. So you have your e-brake, your shifter, the wheel, the monitor right in front, and you get your pedals down here. And yeah, it's really great. And then you have your keyboard right to the left and your mouse up here. And yeah, that's it. To get out, you literally just hop on out. It's really easy. But yeah, that's my sim. It's holding up great, and I'll do a review on that e-brake soon. See you guys in the next one.